Hi everybody. Just type in exploitations, ransomware, open vulnerabilities, any combination of these things in your browser and look at the news. It's not good, and it hasn't been good, and it's not going to get any better. Ransomware gang targets, mitigations, security patches address 66 vulnerabilities. US warns of continued threat. Patch now. Why enterprise exploits are still partying like it's 1999. Right? All these attacks. DDoS hits German election system. Security issues in Chinese smartphones. On and on and on it goes. Cisco has in their tools the Cisco security advisories. And these are put together by the Product Security Incident Response Team. Okay? Now, the PSIRT also has an API, and I want to read this to you. Programmatically keep up with security vulnerability information via REST API to build tools and assess the impact of security vulnerabilities. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to click on PSIRT. This is going to fire off some automation in the background here using the APIs. I'm getting a token. I'm checking my version of my real device against that database. And now, if I go to my PSIRT database, I have found 8 open vulnerabilities, and I have all of the details for these vulnerabilities. All right, so let's go on the attack. Let's start using Merlin and automation and these APIs to turn the tables on these threat actors, okay? Let's take control and make sure that our infrastructure is patched and is not vulnerable. With Merlin. Thank you. Stay safe.